Well, this is the first day of the construction. Guys are getting the site ready, and they're getting ready to work on the roof this morning. The fence is all up. That's Brad over there. A little chilly this morning. It's 46 degrees, but sunny, no clouds in the sky, and we're excited to start work on City Hall. I thought I'd take advantage of showing a glimpse of the City Council chambers, and maybe you can hear the pounding on the roof right now as the guys are working on the roof. I'm going to go outside and take a few videos of that, and here's some of the history behind City Hall and the various mayors. And our current mayor, Dowling Watford, very good friend of mine. And when I was on the council, Jim Kirk, Mayor Kirk. And so this is where it all happens. So I'm going to go around the front side of the building right now. This is where they're starting to work on the roof. Chilly, chilly day this morning. Chilly, chilly day. Gentleman up there. Get the sunlight. See, they're removing all the old tiles right now. That's going pretty quickly, faster than I thought. Yeah, it's probably a bad angle with the sun coming up this morning. They got an early start. Wow, they are pulling those off like really quickly. See if I can get a better angle on this. Yeah, that looks much better. So basically they're cleaning off all the excess debris and trying to get some of that old layer off of the existing wood up there, and then put nail downs. But they have really worked pretty quickly today. It's still fairly cold outside here, at least for a Floridian anyways. But we're all excited that this project has got started, and we're hoping that once they peel off all the remaining layers that we're not going to have any problems. So we're moving forward. I am gonna walk around the back side, or the front side of the building. I'm on the back side of the building right now. I'd go around and show the whole thing. We are now on the front side of the building, and they are doing all the nail downs right now. Let's see if I can't walk across the street and get a better view of this without getting run over by a car. Suspect that they will be doing the other two sides tomorrow, and then they'll be ready to get inside, check out the trusses, and start putting the necessary work down the trusses. Right now it looks like they've got pretty much the old building. This is day 3, and they've got the roof all dried in, and we'll be working on finishing up the 2 sides this morning. And then the next step will be getting inside the roof and looking at the trusses and getting that down. The first phase of the roofing is completed, and the roof is all dried in, both the north and the south sides and in the center. And the next good, thank you. The next part of this, got all the flashing in, will be to get in on the top and put some of the hurricane anchors on the trusses inside the building. Gonna come around here to the front side. And here's the north end of the building. And the south end of the building. See the west front entrance there. So we will wait for the next phase of this project as we're moving right along. Today, all of the soffit and corbels were removed. The old soffit and corbels were removed from the building. It didn't take them too long to do that, and I think the next step will be getting inside the building to secure the trusses with some anchors. But we'll go around the building and look at how the front was done as well. If you come over here to the north side of the building, you see where they were removed here as well. And then coming around and looking at the back side. Take a zoom. Here we are on the south side of the building, and as you can see, all the soffit and corbels are removed. We'll get it back from around this tree here in the front of City Hall. And I think we have found and picked out a replacement for the corbels today. This is part of the 100 years old this year. And with that, I will sign off on week 1.